Good morning, students. How are you all? We are meeting after Christmas vacation. So let's begin once our online lecture session series 2020-21. Subject is English, grade 7. Okay, and my name is Natyesh Hirachandra Patil. So let's begin with another interesting lesson. So already we have started block 17 comparing and contrasting, which is diaries of Sunil and Anu. Okay, so let's take learning plan number 2, compare and contrast character interpretations. Already we have completed learning plan number 1. We took one online session in which we have completed the same. So let's begin with learning plan number 2. Are you ready for the same? Okay, very good. So aim of this particular session is that once you go through this particular session, you will be able to analyze a character by comparing different interpretations. Resources, S2 notebook, exit content book. These are the things which we need. Okay, so let's begin. So now it is time to make some confessions. Can you think of an incident where you change your account of something that happened to show yourself in a better light? Okay, so today we'll analyze the character of Sunil. So can you tell me what traits and qualities does Sunil describe in himself? What traits and qualities of Sunil come out through Anu's diary? As you have gone through Sunil's diary also as well as Anu's diary. So when you go through the Sunil's diary, you get these points or the personality traits or qualities. He is brave, considerate, but according to Anu or whatever Anu has mentioned in her diary, he was dishonest and snobbish type of person. Okay, so through Sunil's diary, he tries to portray himself as an adventurous, brave, friendly, considerate, and smart person. Okay. He ends up revealing himself as somewhat snobbish and silly when he brags about what a genius he is or how would he give up good marks to give others a chance. However, through Anu's diary, he comes across as an outright liar and coward who deliberately manipulated facts, okay, to paint a good picture of himself that we know. So these are the qualities or traits we have seen or we have seen in Sunil, and according to Anu, okay, Sunil was something different. Okay, very nice. What opinion do you arrive at about Sunil's character after reading two varying versions of him? Varying means different versions of him. Okay, what is your opinion? Because according to Sunil, he's very good, he's helpful towards others, he's very brave also. But when we read Anu's diary, our perception, our opinion about Sunil got changed. Okay, so just think about this question answer. Just pause the video and you can write your own answer. Once you get done with the answer, you can cross check with the answer which I have given, which is a sample answer. Okay. And that doesn't mean that you are also supposed to write the same answer. Your answer may be different. That is going to be your own opinion about Sunil after reading both diaries, Sunil's as well as Anu's diary. After reading the two versions, Anu's version of the event seems more plausible. Okay, Sunil, while writing his diary, seems aware of others who might read it. Anu seems to be writing more to express her thoughts, unaware of anyone other than herself. who might read it. Okay, the consciousness of an audience who might read his life story and judge him accordingly is probably what makes Sunil lie in his diary. He hides his real self, his actions and thoughts that we have seen, correct? We have seen, like for an example, actually, what happened in the story, in the party was different. Okay, that was the half truth, correct? But Sunil portray himself like he's very brave. Okay, so he hides his real self, his actions and thoughts because he's aware that someone will read the diary and pass judgment on him. On the other hand, Anu seems to be writing just to express her thoughts with little consciousness of a real audience or the urge to prove something about her brother. Anu has not written this diary for anyone. Anu has written the diary for herself. Okay, and that's why she doesn't want to prove anything to anyone, or she doesn't want to show anything to anyone else. Since she has little to gain from giving false facts in her personal diary, her version of Sunil as a liar and coward seems to be more close to reality. Correct? Very good. I hope you must have understood this. If not, read it once again and you'll come to know. And what you have to do for the better understanding of these questions also, first go through the lesson completely. Please once again because we have taken the same some 15 days back. So you need to revise it first. First go through the lesson. Why do you think Sunil has made up fake stories and lies? What is the reason according to you? The reason why Sunil behaves in such a manner is something that can be interpreted in different ways. Some might say his arrogance makes him unable to accept the truth, which belittles him. Others might say that he covers up his weakness with lies and fake stories, which might be his way of dealing with his insecurities. Correct? So, this is what and this is the reason Sunil has made up fake stories and lies. Okay, as he wanted to cover up his weakness, and that's why he took help of lies and fake stories. Understood? So, once again, go through the same again and again so that you'll come to know how a proper answer should be written. Okay, I'm expecting your own answers of all these questions. So you have to finish S2 from workbook and in notebook you have to write answer number 1 to 4 from the exceed content book. The questions based on the lesson Diaries of Sunil and Anu and send it to me by 5 p.m. today itself. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this very short yet very informative and useful video. So carefully and patiently. Thanks a lot. Have a great day to all of you. Thank you so much.